Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, to Jeannette Lynn. Hi, I'm Jeannette Lynn. How are you doing? Today I feel like doing something like for fall, and right now I am doing this on my phone because my stand here, it will not, what do you want to say? I don't know, what's the word? I wish I could explain it to y'all, but I'll probably put it in my vlog, on my vlog channel. If you have not seen my vlogs, I have a vlog channel. If you'd like to go check it out, it's right here, you know. So, right now I'm just gonna go ahead and do something like, kind of like a fall-ish. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna do this. I haven't really have an idea in mind. I'm just gonna, wing it today. And I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my Tarte Shape Tape and Light. And just prep my eyes like I normally do. So today is the day that Jaclyn Hill's Vault collection just went back, got restocked. And I want to get me one. I want to get the Vault collection, and I know they're gonna have it, at Ulta store, but it's like I don't want the individual. I wanted the Vault collection, so that way, like, if I want to put on my dresser. And that's Bella. She wants to come in, so she's going to wait a minute. But yeah, if I had the Vault collection, I'll be creating some fall looks with that. But I'm just going to work with what I have for right now, like the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, the Nueve Neutrals 26 color eyeshadows, shadows and blush palette. And just see what I can actually create. And yeah, so I'm not gonna lay like any like powder on top, because sometimes the color does not show up like I want it to when I do that. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Jaclyn Hill palette, the by Morphe. If you have the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm gonna go ahead and just try to use Silk Cream first. Now I'm gonna put that like up here. I'm trying to make it high as I can put it. And lightly go towards. I'll probably go with this brush here, which I got off of eBay, and go with this. I'm trying to see what color. Green. Probably go with this green right here, like underneath that. Now I'm going to go to the green that's like next to it. This brush right here, which is like a crease brush. Don't want to have like too much. Just try and work it little by little. And if I want to go back to that Silk Cream, and just lightly go over it, try to not make it too harsh looking. I'm going to go with my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to see if I can just try to clean it up just a little bit, so I could add like another color on top so it doesn't mess it up, you know what I mean? I'm going to set it with my Stay Matte powder. Okay, now I want to go with this red right here. And kind of like just put that like in the crease area. I'm using this brush here. Just lightly do it outward. Oh wow, this is gonna get really, really, I think, smoky once I'm done. I'm gonna go back with this brush, see how that looks. And we're gonna go a little bit darker, I think. So now I am gonna go with, what color is this one? Chip. I'm just gonna take this flat little brush and put on the inwards and outwards over that red. Patterning it this way. I'm gonna go ahead and just use this little crease brush and use that. Apply it here, corner. Alright, now I'm gonna go back using that tart shaped tape, doing like the halo. See if I could do this like everybody's been doing. I think my next one I'm gonna go with is this red, like a cranberry. What's the color? Cran apple, of course, like a cranberry. And I'm gonna use, I'm gonna have to use this brush right here. Or wait a minute, no. You know what? Wait a minute, hold up. I think I'm gonna go with this one instead. Yeah, that one seemed like a little bit more called firework. Okay. Firework it is. That's a little bit more eye-catching, I think. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. I just had a Fix Plus. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. That firework, oh my goodness, wow. Then I'm gonna go back with that chip. Lightly go over it. Alright, it's looking a little crazy right now. I'm going to put on some eyeliner. Alright, I'm going to use my Total Temptation by Maybelline in Blonde. I'm going to show y'all how exactly I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to take, of course, tart shape tape, as always. I'm just going to put it on this, what you call precision concealer. Usually I like to have one that's straight. We're going to put this on first, and then I'm going to put on primer and foundation. You know, in case you don't want to clean it up like before you put your foundation on. You can always do it before you put your foundation on. And just get your beauty blender and just like clean it up a little bit. Okay, now for bronzer, I am going to go with this Rimmel Natural Bronzer Waterproof Bronzing Powder in Sun Bronze, since I've already hit pan. And I'm going to go back into what color next to Fireworks. punts. Okay. On my bottom little lash line. I think I'm going to take my other brush, which is my other crease blending brush, and just kind of like... I'm going to go back using that other red from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Then I'm going to take my black bean. Now we got to get up close and personal for this because I need to get up close to my mirror. So on my waterline, because in this you can actually smudge it out with a darker shadow, which I'm going to use Chip, I think, again. Okay, I'm going to go with this little fine little brush here and go. Build that color up. I mean, this look is going to be so smoky. Then I'll get my other small crease brush and just like smoke it out a little bit. Okay, now I am going to go with my Total Temptation, and I know it's black, probably black is black. Usually they have like the color of it, so I'm going to put that on. So while I'm waiting for my eyelash to dry, I'm going to do a little bit of highlight. Obsessed looks. And if we need more, we just, I'm gonna go with this, which is Enlighten, and do the brow bone. It's like I didn't want to be like too much of a highlight, just kind of mixing Obsessed with Enlighten. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more bronzer on. This is the e.l.f. kind and Sunkissed Glow Bronzer and Sunkissed, since I don't look like I'm bronzed enough. I'm going to go with the Nueve Neutrals, and I'm just going to use the blush palette, the blush part. Probably maybe this one right here. It's kind of like something you use like for blush or bronze your face. It just makes it look like you got more color. Like a little bit of pink over top. Yeah, that looks good. Now we need some highlight. Precious Petal highlighting, and I usually like to sometimes press my beauty blender in my highlight and just go like this to give me that nice like sun-kissed glow. Honey, look at that. If you're not seeing that, you need to get on some glasses or get your vision checked. Can you not see that? Put some on my nose. Up here, people go think you're sweating. Basically, you're just glowing. It's like it's fall and I want to be glowing too, you know what I mean? Okay, let's see what lip color option I show. You could do this look with two options. You can go for nude lip, or you can go with a natural nude lip. This one's in Sandstorm. I like to go with brown. I mean, if I had the red by either Poet Society or the one from this one, from this line, I think Amazonin or something like that, that will really look good because it'll bring out the red you can see here. I think we're just going to go with a brown look today. And this one's in Fighter, I believe. Yeah, Fighter. And these get very, very dry. So if you like to have like a gloss to go over it, you can also do that. I mean, it could be any type of gloss. You can put like something like this over it, or if you have like a clear gloss or something, you could definitely put this over it. But I think I'm just gonna leave it like it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I have loved creating this eye look. I mean, I didn't think I was going to even do a smoky eye look. But yeah, I mean, if y'all like it, if y'all like to see me create any more fall makeup tutorials, just comment down below. Tell me what you'd like to see, because I want to know what y'all like to see. And yeah, I mean, I just love this look. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see more fall makeup tutorials, whatever makeup tutorials you'd like to see. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and follow me on my social media, which is right here. Mostly I'm on these two, and yeah, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.